Hey friends, on today's video we are going to be looking at how you can test the battery in your vehicles right at home. Now normally you'd have to go to some place like AutoZone or another auto parts store. They have to come out into the parking lot and do this for you, or God forbid you have to lift your battery out of your vehicle and take it in just to have testing done. No longer is that needed. This is one of my favorite tools right now to complete this at-home testing job. This is the ANCEL BT310. The reason I love it is because it can test both your car batteries, your standard batteries, as well as lithium ion batteries. Let me show you how this thing works. All right, we're underneath the hood here in our 4Runner. And the battery is obviously located right here. We have the positive and negative terminals right here. So I'm going to go ahead and hook up this battery tester to the battery terminals. We'll stick the positive on here first. Now, one of the things I would have liked to see is these clamps be a little bit larger. They do work on there, but it would have been nice to have a little bit bigger clamp. And then the negative will go over here. Now, immediately you can see that the ANCEL powers up and it gives us a voltage. So this is really nice information right off the bat. It powers from your battery here. So let's go ahead and run a quick battery test. This is, again, one of my favorite features of this. I'm going to hit enter, and as you can see, we have multiple options here. We can do a battery test, we can do cranking test, charging test, and then we can also review data that has been stored and saved. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter, and let's do a battery test. You can see it says car, motorcycle, or lithium ion. We'll start with the car. Hit enter. Then it asks for the type of battery here. Again, this is going to be a regular flooded for us. Okay, next, this is going to ask us for, again, some additional information on the type of battery we have. And we can actually use the top one here in the States. That CCA stands for cold cranking amps. We can actually find that information directly on the battery. As you can see, you have to check the rating on the battery, use the up and down key to select the exact one. I'm going to go ahead and hit this. You can see we defaulted to 500 amps for cold cranking, and I can go up or down on that to select. In this case, we can actually go down to the JIS. That stands for Japanese numbering system there. Let me hit enter. And then I'm going to go all the way up here to ADD26, which is what our battery is labeled for, and hit enter. All right, and immediately we start going into the testing. There you go, in about 10 seconds, we now have great information. So as you can see, this specific battery, the health rating is at 40%. So that's really low. We need to actually get this on a maintainer or potentially replace the battery, since that looks like it is the original. You can see the charge is at that 12.24 volts, which we got that information at the beginning, but now we can see that's only 38% of its capacity. Again, very low. So it does state this battery is good, but that it does need a recharge. So there you go, friends. That is the ANCEL BT310 battery tester. Again, lots of functionality, pretty dang simple to use. And again, you can test all sorts of battery styles. I definitely suggest this thing. Big thumbs up from us. If you're interested in grabbing it for yourself, you can actually find it right here on Amazon. And then stay tuned, subscribe if you're interested in this kind of content. We test out a lot of these tools to make sure they are good. We also do a lot of DIY projects. We have a bunch more videos coming up soon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.